In this video, I'll be showing you how to make air fryer chicken thighs. Coat the chicken pieces with some olive oil and then season it with soy sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, salt, and paprika. Rub the seasoning into every part of the thighs, making sure they're well coated. Cover the bowl with a cling film and then marinate the thighs for 30 minutes until they have fully absorbed the marinade. Line your air fryer basket with a foil. This will help collect all the drippings from the cooked meat. Transfer the seasoned chicken thighs into the air fryer basket. Drizzle half teaspoon of olive oil. This will help keep the meat moist as it cooks. You can also add few sprigs of thyme for that aromatic flavor. Air fry the chicken thighs for 30 minutes at 350. After 30 minutes, rub the remaining marinade on the surface of the chicken to keep them moist. Now flip the thighs halfway through to help cook them evenly until the skin is nice and crispy and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're sure your chicken thighs are ready, you can take them out. You can make some delicious air fryer chicken thighs in no time. And this is what we have: juicy air fried chicken thighs. Let's have a look at this delicious goodness. And look at that juicy interior. Obviously, this is very tasty. I hope you try this out and let me know your thoughts. I hope you give this recipe a thumbs up if you like it. You can also share it with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by on this channel, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you updated. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.